Usually yung gown ko, kung ano itsura. Pero hindi, we're not spending too much on gowns, and I've really stopped spending too much. This time, si Malo sabi niya, sinasabi, huwag ka nagagamit ng gown mo ulit Pero sabi ko sa kanya, this time, it's a different situation because all the money will go to the proceeds will go to the show, no? I mean, to the benefit. Pero syempre, yung ating mga guests, meron din naman silang love gift, no? We never do a show na wala silang matatanggap. People give to us, we also want, because they're going to be working, meron din silang kahit papano marireceive from us. Hi, dear.
Hi. Ano po yung mga songs na yung perform mo maliban po sa mga OPM hits?
Okay. So one of the songs, Malo just reminded me, I sang it a long time ago, yung The Climb of Miley Cyrus. It's a really nice song. And then, songs about love, all you need is love. Such a simple song, pero diba, all you need is love, all you need is love, all you need is love. Love is all you need. So, ang power talaga ng ating buhay is because we have been given the example through Jesus Christ that even before we loved Him, He already loved us. So, yun yung power niya na transfer sa atin. When we follow His kind of love, mababago yung buhay natin, mababago yung puso natin. Kasi a lot of times ang talagang malaking problema ng tao is yung kasalanan nating kayabangan. Na akala natin, porket ang isang tao may ginawa na sa atin, o tama na yon. Especially in this generation, no? Na ina-unfriend ka, tinatapong ka na sa basura, ayaw na makipag-usap sa'yo. But, you know what? That's our pride. Flesh yun Yun yung ating laman. And if we move, according to the flesh and not according to what the Holy Spirit is telling us, and there is man has no capacity to overcome the flesh until the Spirit of God lives in us. Yun yung sinasabing born again. So without the Spirit of God, we will not have the power. Hindi tayo matutulungan ng Diyos because we are separated from God until God comes to our life. We will not be able to overcome those things that cause us to talagang to fail, no? Not only in terms of our relationships, but even in our finances, even in our health. Akala natin pag may pera ang tao, kaya mong bilhin ng bayaran ng magaling na doktor. Pupunta ako sa lugar na ito, Houston, Texas, because they have the best when it comes to cancer, something like that. Pero, basically, ang talaga nag-heal sa atin, ang Panginoon. Kasi do you think that God, if a person didn't have the capacity to pay for all this, mahal na doktor, sumingil, no? Through prayers, you don't think that He will answer. Faith kasi ang hinihingi ng Diyos. Sure, pag masakit ang tiyan mo, ayaw matanggal, minom ka na lang painkiller, tsaka magdasal ka na matapos na yan, di ba? Pero ibig sabihin, and people might say, yeah, but I'm stage 4 cancer. Yes, pero ang buhay mo, hawak ng Diyos. Nakarinig ka na ba kay tagal-tagal ng stage 4? Hindi pa rin namamatay. Because nagdadasal siya Pwede pa rin gumaling. Patay nga di ba? Namatay nga si Jesus, pinagaling ni Lord. Si Lazarus, patay na. Ilang araw patay si Lazarus, Lars? 3 ata?
3 days.
3 days, Oh, you know why? There was a purpose so that people would see, kabaho na siya, kaya pa rin ni Lord. Yun. So that's the message, basically, of the show in songs and stories.